I bought these $34 drones off of Shein. This is gonna be good. Wait, they're the same. I did not mean to buy two. If anyone in the comments can translate, that'd be greatly appreciated. I'll be the first to say that this does not look very promising. No way. The ad said that this camera's supposed to be 4K. There's definitely 4 pixels. I don't know about the K. Okay, it looks like it's powered on. The controller's powered on. The phone is somehow connected. I'm gonna press the up button and hope something good happens. Nothing good is happening. It just went haywire. I had to slap it down. That doesn't look good. All right, here we go. Take 3. Oh no. Stop, please. Ah. Maybe I should take it outside. I mean, the controls aren't very good. It's not very responsive. But it hasn't crashed yet, so I guess that's good. Now, this isn't a DJI drone by any means. But for $34, it gets in the air. Which is a lot more than I expected.